Today is 2026, U607. A great change is happening. It is happening very fast. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is changing the world of work. Big companies are leading this change. Leaders like Elon Musk of Tesla, Sam Altman of OpenAI, and Jensen Huang of NVIDIA are in a race. They are building powerful machines and smarter software. This technological revolution is not just a small update. It is a fundamental shift in how our economy operates. It will touch every job, every industry, and every person. We must understand this change. We must prepare for what comes next. The choices we make today will shape our future for decades. This new age is different from past industrial revolutions. Before, machines replaced physical labor. Tractors replaced farmhands. Assembly lines replaced craftsmen. But this time, machines are also replacing mental labor. They are performing tasks that require thinking, writing, and creating. Automation is a simple idea. It means a machine does a job that a person used to do. A robot arm in a car factory is a form of automation. A self-checkout machine is another. For a long time, automation was about muscle, repetitive physical tasks. The new AI is different. This new automation is about brains. It can perform cognitive tasks, read, understand, and generate language, analyze complex data, even make decisions. This is why it is impacting jobs never touched before. Lawyers, accountants, writers, programmers. Parts of their work are now done by AI. This is a fundamental change in the nature of automation. The main concern is mass unemployment. What happens when machines can do most jobs? Economists are studying this closely. Some predictions are alarming. A large share of current work hours could be automated within a decade. Unemployment could rise to levels we have never seen before. A job is more than a paycheck. It supports families, homes, food, and healthcare. Mass unemployment brings hardship and social unrest. In the past, old jobs vanished and new ones arrived. For 2 centuries, people moved from farms to factories to offices. But the key question now is this time different? If AI can do most mental tasks, what new jobs remain for humans? We may be automating the creation of new tasks itself. If machines innovate better than us, the cycle could break. Even if people keep their jobs, their pay may go down. This is a basic rule of economics, the law of supply and demand. When something is abundant, its price falls. If AI makes tasks cheap, human wages for those tasks drop. Imagine a graphic designer charging $50 for a logo. An AI can do a similar logo for $1. To compete, humans lower prices. Buyers gain leverage. Wages fall. This spreads across the economy, not just one job or industry. As AI improves, more tasks cost pennies instead of dollars. Analyses that took a week now take minutes. Human labor value declines in each case. Over time, wages could collapse for many roles. People work just as hard, yet earn less. Poverty and inequality grow. Those who own AI systems and robot factories see soaring profits. Labor incomes shrink while capital gains rise. The gap can become a chasm. Technology itself is not to blame. AI is a tool. Outcomes depend on how we organize society. The pie gets bigger. How we slice it is our choice. We must share AI productivity gains broadly, or risk a richer world that is poorer for most. Some experts are thinking about an even bigger change. They talk about the possibility of superintelligence, AI that becomes much smarter than humans in every way. Our brain is a biological machine with limits. Computers don't share those limits. They can scale connections and speed. We've long been the smartest, giving us control. We may be on the cusp of creating something smarter than ourselves, an historic turning point. Superintelligence could accelerate progress at incredible speed. It could solve problems we cannot. Cures for disease, new clean energy, even deeper truths about the universe. A takeoff, an intelligence explosion. But the risks are enormous. If we build something far more intelligent, how do we keep it safe and aligned with human goals? This is the AI alignment problem. Like chimps trying to control humans, power imbalances matter. A superintelligence could wield similar power over us. Ensuring safety and benefit is one of our era's most important tasks. Some think this could happen within a decade, others later, but most agree we must prepare. The stakes are too high. Superintelligence could be the best or the worst thing to happen to us. We must steer toward the best future. Another major risk is the concentration of power. Building frontier AI is incredibly expensive. Massive data centers filled with specialized chips. Training a single top-tier model can cost billions. Only a handful of the richest companies can compete. This can lead to monopolies or oligopolies. A few firms could control the century's most important technology. Concentration exists across the stack. Chip-making tools, fabrication, design, and AI labs. Classic vertical integration. Barriers rise, newcomers struggle to enter. Big players can set prices, control access, and shape tech to benefit themselves. Monopolies mean higher prices, slower innovation, and crushed rivals. With AI, the danger is greater. Control over digital infrastructure, our data, what we see, believe, and how we live. We need strong action, enforce antitrust, scrutinize mergers, require interoperability so startups can connect. Avoid a future where a few firms own the systems that run our world. So what can we do? We are not helpless. There are concrete solutions. Universal basic income, regular unconditional payments, a safety net for basics like food and housing. Start small with a seed UBI to build the system now, so it can scale automatically during disruption. Fund it from AI-driven wealth and profits. Extend unemployment insurance, ensure universal health care, and invest in public services. Consider public AI efforts. Technology for the public good. Adopt safety and transparency standards. Slow deployment where needed. Prevent monopolies. Promote competition. And tax-heavy automation to support displaced workers and retraining. The future is not yet written. AI can free us from drudgery and unlock creativity, community, and care. This is everyone's conversation. The time to act is now. Let us begin. Across global networks, massive AI data centers house rows of GPU accelerators, powering modern AI workloads. Industrial robot arms assemble components with precision and speed on modern production lines. Semiconductor fabs sculpt silicon at the microscopic scale, using EUV lithography to print the future.